Next, this is all insert message stuff. Now, here's actually where we're going to write. So we're not going to use the constant function or execute the constant function. Since we're actually going to write to the smart contract, there's a couple parameters that we need. We need the function name, the wallet, because we need a way to sign that transaction. The function parameters, nonce, gas price, value, and a couple of callback exceptions to actually handle all the errors. So we have in our smart contract, we actually have a function called sendMessage. And inside sendMessage, it takes two parameters, an address and the actual message. So taking a step back, so in our import bar, we want to actually take the data that the user entered in. And the moment they hit send, we're going to take that data and incorporate that with this function as a parameter because we need an address and the actual message itself. As you can see, we created params, and we're going to pin the address, which actually takes the stored wallet address that we did earlier, as well as the actual message itself, which is the actual string or text that the message.
Yeah, that's what the user's sending, right? The actual from the UI. Got it.
So we're going to tie that all together. We already specify the wallet, params, gas price, and that's it. And we should be done. So obviously we still have some errors. So let's see what that is. Actually, we're just going to try to run it to see if it will go through.
So you think it'll work? Does this thing work?
We're going to find out. Oh, look at that.
Yeah, it built. Like those are false errors. Oh, look at that.
Sweet. Here we go.
Yeah, look at that.
So let's get started. So it's already going to ask me if I have a passphrase, which I already do. So it's going to say pocket. And again, it's going to use that to check. It's going to decrypt and re-encrypt the message. I'm sorry, not the message, but the address.
Okay.
Yep. We're going to hit OK. And it's going to immediately load up all the messages that was in the smart contract. Because if you recall in the refresh screen, we got the count, we got the index, and it loops through all the messages. So pretty
cool. So this is all pulling from the AION network.
Yep. So we're going to say, hey, Steve. So it's going to check because it is going to use it is going to charge your wallet for the gas because that's how you can interact with the blockchain. So we're going to say yes. It's going to take out this network fee from the wallet. So we're going to go back real quick. Something I left out a little bit. So it does return the actual, what's I'm looking for? Transaction hash. Sorry, drawing a blank. So what we can do is actually check that on the AION dashboard. So to do so, well, I'm pretty sure that's it. Now we're going to find it. And just like that,
there it is.
Smart contract, there's the text. So if we ever want to load back in, or whoever actually wants to create their own application, when they start loading it after they imported their wallet, they will already see our messages that are inside the chat window, which is kind of cool.
Okay, awesome.
And so assuming that someone else, like besides us, wanted to send a message, you can just hit the refresh button, and anything that's unique that's outside that index will automatically display it.
And we want to make sure that everybody has our personal addresses in case they take this code and make a WhatsApp competitor that gets really, really popular. Right? Know how to send us messages that they'd have to pay to send the messages, right?
Correct.
Yeah, this is super cool, Jeremy. What if somebody has questions or comments? How do they get in touch with you? If can they hit you up on Twitter, or what's the best way to connect?
If anyone have questions, the best way is actually go to Discord. There's a support channel.
Okay.
A lot of us are there, so people are just asking questions on how to set up a service node, or hey, I have help or an issue with the SDK. Can you help me out? And then we're all pretty responsive on that.
Awesome. Yeah, so we'll leave a link out to that. So if anybody has any questions, they can pop out there and get those questions answered. Well,
and also feel free to check out the developer portal if you just want to just dive straight on in. We have a lot of resources that you can use and go from there.
Yeah, awesome. We'll leave those links for sure also. Well, this is super cool. I didn't doubt that it was going to work, but I really was pretty happy to see it working there at the end. That's very cool. Well, we're gonna wrap it up with that for this time. But Jeremy, I know, is working like crazy on a bunch of other tutorials. So this won't be the last one. We'll come back with some more. So yeah, let us know what you think of this tutorial, and if you have any questions, and we will get those answered for you. Thanks so much.
All right, take care.